At the premises of JSC Vitebsk Broiler Poultry Factory, there is a plan to intensify the development of the integration structure by implementing the following investment projects with a total value of $110 million within the period up to 2022. Construction of the slaughter and poultry processing facility with a capacity of 9,000 heads per hour. Investments make up $45 million. Construction of a broiler facility number 3, 30,000 tons per year. Investments make up $30 million. Reconstruction of feedstuff production with an increase by 60,000 tons per year. Investments make up $20 million. Construction of dairy trading complex in rural settlement Kurina for 1,440 heads. Investments make up $17 million. Implementation of the project will make it possible to increase annual production volumes. Poultry meat production, 90,000 tons. Meat processing complex, 80,000 tons. Dairy farming, 43,000 tons. Crop production, 87,000 tons. Feedstuff production, 180,000 tons. Brand name trading and public catering, $40 million. Sales revenue will make up $245 million. Payback forecast is less than 10 years. This will give an opportunity to produce products with a lower prime cost and highest quality, which consequently increases competitiveness at the domestic and foreign markets, as well as this will ensure full economic security of the enterprise. We are always open for cooperation and we greatly value partnership relations. Ганна. Housewives trust us.